Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use audio eraser in Galaxy S25 Plus Gallery. So let's start by opening the Gallery application. Then I'm gonna play this sample video.
This is a sample video created in order to show how to erase background noises on Samsung Galaxy.
So as you can hear, there are clearly some background noises in this video which we want to erase. Now the first way that we can do this is by tapping on this icon, the quick audio erase noise erasing tool, and then play the video once again.
This is a sample video created in order to show how to erase background noises.
And it will somewhat erase the background noises, but if we want to go deeper, then tap the AI icon at the bottom bar of the video. Then here we can mute voices, crowd and noise in the background. And we can either do it manually by decreasing the value of each one, or use auto eraser by tapping auto icon, or you can mute quickly. You can mute one value completely by tapping mute icon right here. Let's save the video and see what we get. Okay, so I erased my voice in this one. So let me do it once again. Let's use auto eraser tool and save the edit, and let's play it once again to hear if we
This is a sample video created in order to show how to erase background noises on Samsung Galaxy.
And as you can hear, there are no background noises almost in this new video comparing to the old one, except for there are some minor ones that we can barely hear in the background, but generally speaking it did a pretty pretty nice job here. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.